Hello students, hope you are doing good. And in this short, I am going to discuss some points about sonnet. So as you know, sonnet is a 14 line poem of equal length. It has been called as Alexandrines in French, hendecasyllables in Italian, and iambic pentameter in English. Okay, and who was credited for establishing the sonnet form? It was Petrarch, who is an Italian writer, has been credited for the establishment of sonnet as a major form of love poetry, who used to idolize his beloved Laura in his sonnets. Okay, and this Petrarchan sonnet, or you can say the Italian sonnet, comprises of octave and a sestet, and octave is comprises of two quatrains of a rhyming scheme ABBA ABBA, and a sestet with a rhyming scheme either CDE CDE or CD CD CD. But the invention of sonnet form has been credited to Giacomo di Lentini. This is again a question of net, so you should remember that. Okay, and then Shakespeare came, and his sonnets came to be known as English sonnet, and Shakespeare's sonnet has a rhyme scheme of AB CD CD EF and GG. Okay, and Shakespeare's sonnet again comprises of three quatrains and a final couplet. So the turn of emotions come in the final couplet. Another variation of the sonnet is the Spenser sonnet, who used to link the three quatrains with a rhyme. But the idealization of love was common to all these sonnets, while in the 17th century John Donne extended this sonnet form to religion, while Milton extended the sonnet form to politics. Okay. And what are the famous examples of sonnets in English literature? You can say the Philip Sidney, Astrophel and Strella, okay, Spenser's Amoreti, Shakespeare's sonnets. So these are some of the examples of the famous sonnets in English literature. And in later half of the 16th century, two of the Petrarchists evolved, and who were there? They were Thomas Watt and Henry Howard, who is also known as Earl of Surrey. So Thomas Watt has been credited for introducing the sonnet from Italy to English. Okay, so he has introduced sonnets from Italy to England, and Henry Howard is the first person who where the rhyming scheme of Shakespearean sonnet has been found. So he used to use the rhyming scheme, or you can say the Shakespearean sonnet form in his writings. So this was all about sonnets. I hope this short was helpful for you. So keep studying and keep taking care of yourself. Thank you so much.